Okay, we're going to work on the top section here and a couple corrections. Number one, this should say social media right here. And this should say no TVs up here. And this should say brokers, sites. Okay, and then what we want to do now is we're going to double the amount of space that we have up here because we want to put nice logos so this whole thing looks bigger because that's what they're paying for distribution. So this on the chart, it's got to look bigger, not smaller. So this is pretty straightforward. You're going to get the logos for these guys and these guys. But when it comes to connected TVs, I'll send you a link to that. But if you go to Vimeo, the company that hosts our videos, and you go under there, they list all the sites. But it's just basically Apple TV and Samsung are the big names, so you grab their logos. And the issue is for these 40 submission sites, I actually want to make a list down the side of the banner here. And I have the list which I can provide to you. Just ask me at any time for it. And this is the list that we create for each customer. And these are all the and they go all the way to whatever 85. So in the flyer, I actually want to list them. So what we'll do is we'll move the travel sites over to this side, put the resellers in this position, and then when it says travel submission sites right here, there'll be an arrow going out the side, which will be right about here, and then we go list, and we have this big long list, and I want to blur it out so they can't see the names because that's part of the finding who to take them is part of the magic that we do. And so we want to pretty this section up by adding logos and giving it as much space as it needs. So just go for it. Thanks. Bye.